My name is Sharifa. Welcome to my channel. So yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, please join the family by subscribing. Invite your friends, tell them to come and also join the community. Yes, we are growing and soon inshallah we'll be hitting like 800 subscribers. Yes, but guys, I don't want hit and run subscribers. Please, if you know that you're not going to stay, don't subscribe now, because I don't want dormant subscribers. Like, I really need genuine support. Yeah, I need genuine support, people who are going to be there for me, people who are going to watch my content. Yes, I'm not putting in feelings, but man, this is, it hurts a lot to post a video and you get like 10 views and you're having like a bunch of 600 subscribers. Do you know what that means? It means that people just come, subscribe, and they don't come back, or maybe they just do it for a sec. So please, if you know that you're not going to stay, don't subscribe, please. Yes, so guys, let's get into the purpose of this video.
Our first ingredient, we are going to be using banana. Bananas are a healthful addition to a balanced diet, as they provide a range of phytonutrients which are good in fiber. Although eating bananas sometimes cannot directly lead to weight loss, some of the properties in banana fruit may help a person to reduce bloating and controlling their appetite, and maybe replacing processed sugars, because bananas are normally sweet. So despite the sugar content of this banana, the results indicated that eating it daily is harmless for people with diabetes. Yes, so we are going to be using it. Banana also slightly improves blood sugar levels. So if you're going to consume banana, just be guaranteed that you're not going to be hungry at any time, because it will help you feel fuller for a certain long period, and sometimes it also helps you digest your food or regulate your food intake. So that's why we are going to be adding it in our smoothie today. So we are going to be adding in our yogurt. Yogurt can be a great addition to a balanced diet that can ultimately help us also lose weight. I'm using vanilla flavor, but I'll advise you to at least find plain yogurt, because it's great for weight loss due to its high protein content. Yes, also yogurt will help you control your appetite, which leads to consuming few calories in a day. That's why even if you're having ulcers, you take longer time to eat, it's always better to take yogurt, because it will keep you fuller for a certain period. So you can use yogurt as a nutrient dense substitute for high calorie ingredient, which aids in weight loss. So this is what we're going to use. So be ready to enjoy this smoothie. Did you know that people who eat yogurt lose 81% of fat? So it's time now to blend our ingredients. So the first thing is we are going to place in our bananas, our chopped bananas. Then we are going to be adding in our yogurt. If you don't love sweet things like yogurt, you can use milk. Yes. So we are going to be blending these two ingredients first. So after blending our two ingredients, we are going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey will help our body burn more fat during digestion and increase body metabolism. So we are going to be blending it again after us putting in our honey, so that the mixture mixes very well. So we are done blending our smoothie juice for weight loss. Yes, so this is how it's going to appear. And ooh la la, now this is the reason why it is food. Actually, just look at it, it is so thick. Yeah, so this can keep you for 3 good hours without you maybe feeling hungry. Yeah, so guys, just now I'm going to enjoy this. Guys, you're welcome, come join me, and yeah, we consume it. Just come and have a taste. I love the scent from the vanilla yogurt. Yes, so guys, you are welcome.
Guys, welcome back from that department. So please tell me if you are going to try it, if you've ever tried it, or if you're just going to try it. Yes, so yeah, hope you do so, because it is going to help you to leave you fuller. It is going to help you lose appetite. You feel fuller for a certain period of time. You won't be hungry. Yes, so if you're this kind of person who loves eating, like, yes, like that person, yeah, you won't even feel hungry I don't think you will. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, in my next video, please don't forget to hit the bell for notification, and also subscribe if you're interested in my content. I love you all. Bye bye.